Alright guys, it's srt.javanti and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to do 5 things I like about my 2021 Charger Widebody Scatpack. Number 1 thing that I like about this car is definitely the Widebody. The Widebody makes it look way more aggressive than seeing the slim body Scats. You just see this on the road and you see how it takes up the whole lane. Second thing I like about this car is definitely this color. This color really is a nice color. Real subtle. Don't poke out too much from other cars. It just looks very clean. And the third thing I like is most definitely these wheels. These wheels look way better than the stock wheels that comes on these cars because they have like a little bit of silver in it. I like just the plain satin black of them, but they do look clean. The fourth thing I most definitely like is the red interior. It really pops, especially with the red calipers. They got the red stitching around the dash, match the red Dodge logo. Looks so much clean, get some type of color, some type of character inside the car. But my favorite gotta be inside the car. Alright guys, the fifth thing that I like about this car is the sound and the power delivery, which is a nice sounding car.
Oh, we going to the moon, bro. Don't be, golly, bro, you moving in this thing.
Yeah, but that's not even sport. That's not even hard shifting.
That's not even the full mode.
Nah.
Going to the moon. 585 horsepower. 585 horsepower.
Nah, 485.
Yeah, 45, yeah.
And 472 torque.
This train taking off like a bat. So definitely the power, right?
Yep, power. Alright guys, this was my 5th thing that I liked about my 2021 Widebody Scatpack. And stay tuned for the next video because we're heading to get something very special. But stay tuned for the next video.
And then, but you've been waiting for this for a long time.
5 months. 5 months of waiting.
Yeah, this is something special. I don't think they're gonna be ready for it. It's gonna be coming in quick.
Yep, you're gonna be very shocked.
Yeah, people are gonna be very shocked, man. And then this is gonna be a big experience, man. And it's gonna be a blessing, right?
Yep.
All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell because you guys do not want to make the next video, guys. We're going viral. The next video, we're going viral. Y'all don't want to miss the next video, man. A lot of you guys are probably going to be mind blown. But guys, hit the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and support the channel, guys. But that's it, guys. Have a nice day. Peace.